Frankenstein, do you want to eat an orange?
Yes, please, my love.
Okay, wait for me. Ouch! Oh.
Zombie, what happened?
I cut my finger on accident.
Calm down, calm down. To help the small cut stop bleeding, all you need is toothpaste. Apply the toothpaste to the cut. Leave it for 15 minutes and your cut will stop bleeding. Use a clean napkin to wipe off the toothpaste. The last thing you need is a band-aid. Carefully cover the cut with the band-aid.
Oh, thank you, Frankenstein.
You're welcome, Zombie.
Do you want to eat orange?
Yes, please. Here's your drink, vampire.
It looks exquisite, Frankenstein. Thank you. Ow, my stomach hurts. Frankenstein.
Oh yes, of course, Miss Vampire. What happened, Miss Vampire?
Ow, my stomach hurts. What did you put in my drink?
It's just regular punch, but don't worry, I can help you. To treat a stomachache, the first thing you need is apple cider vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. After that, pour in some honey. The last thing you need is hot water. Use a spoon to mix it up and it's ready to drink. Sorry about your drink, but this one will make you feel better.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course. Now just wait a little bit and your stomach will settle down.
You're right. My stomach doesn't hurt anymore. Here's your tip.
Oh, thank you.
Of course.
My love, will you marry me?
Huh? Of course, my Frankenstein. Oh, the ring is so nice. Thank you, my love. Come here.
Oh, your lips are so dry.
Really? Oh, shoot. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
Don't worry, calm down, I'll help you, my love. To treat the dry lips, all you need is a secret ingredient. Honey. Pour some honey onto your finger. Then apply the honey onto your lips. Wait 15 minutes, then use a paper towel to wipe it off.
Wow, my lips are so soft now. Thank you, my love.
No problem. Now where were we?
Hello, Dr. Frankenstein, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Please come in.
Hello, doctor.
What brings you here?
I forgot to wear gloves and the sun burned my hand.
Don't worry, your doctor is here. To treat a sunburn, the only thing you need is an aloe vera. Use a knife to cut off 1 piece of the aloe vera plant. Carefully cut open the aloe vera. Apply the inside of the aloe vera to the burn. You need to repeat this 3 times a day and you'll be okay.
Thank you, doctor. My hands are good again.
You're welcome, but remember to use an umbrella and wear your gloves when you go outside.
I will. Thank you, doctor. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, my tooth. Can you please help me? It hurts so much.
Fine, okay. The first thing you need to treat your toothache is salt. Pour some salt into the cup, then add some water. Next, use a spoon to mix it up. Now use this water to rinse your mouth 3 times a day for a week and your toothache will be gone.
Okay, I'll do it now. My tooth doesn't hurt anymore. Thank you, vampire.
No problem.
Ooh, candy.
Don't eat anymore.
Okay.
Why do I feel so dizzy?
Huh? Frankenstein, what happened? Are you okay?
I got hot. I don't feel well. I've been working too long.
Don't worry. I got you. To help Frankenstein with his heat exhaustion, we need coconut oil and peppermint essential oil. Pour 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and then add 4 drops of peppermint oil. For the next step, mix up the oil. Apply the oil to the temples and the nose. Now you have to go to the shade to rest.
Okay.
Nap for about 15 minutes. You'll feel better.
Okay. Oh, I feel better now. Thank you, zombie.
No problem, Frankenstein. Hey, Vampire! Are you ready? We need to meet Frankenstein!
Yeah, I'm ready. Hold on, why is your teeth so yellow?
Really? Let me see. Ew, why are my teeth so yellow? What am I gonna do?
To clean your teeth, we need to make magical toothpaste. All we need is regular toothpaste and baking soda. Add toothpaste to the bowl, then add baking soda and mix it up with the spoon. Then add the toothpaste to the brush. Now you can use this toothpaste to clean your teeth.
Okay, I'll do it. Thank you, Vampire. My teeth are so clean now.
Frankenstein! Can you stop singing? I'm trying to read. Your voice is terrible.
What? I'm practicing to be on Monster Idol. Ah, me, 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 me.
Oh, you're so annoying.
La 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 la. Vampire, help me, I lost my voice.
See, I told you, now you're coughing and lost your voice.
Please help me.
Oh, fine. The first thing we need to help Frankenstein get his voice back is ginger. Use the knife to slice the ginger. Add 2 slices of ginger in a little cup, then add some lemon and some salt. The next step is to add hot water to this cup. The last step is to mix it up and it'll be ready to drink. Now drink this and you'll feel better.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, my voice is back. Thank you, Vampire.
No problem.
Now I can keep practicing to be Monster Idol. Oh, la, la, me, me, me,
Hey, do you want to lose your voice again?
No.